Welcome back to Our Life Simplified. Do you know how everybody is doing the gender reveal parties? Well, today we're going to be doing a egg fertilizing reveal party. Let's get started. So in the previous video, I showed you the unboxing of this incubator. This is the first time me using it. So like I said, we are going to be checking the fertility rate of the eggs today. We're going to be candling the eggs. The instructions say that all I have to do is press the minus button and the candling will come on. So I'm just going to go through each egg and see which ones have fertilized, and the ones that do not look fertilized, I am going to go ahead and remove those and dispose of them. A great feature on here is to see how many days left. So D14 means 14 days till hatch, which means we are currently on day 7. I went out on the website and I happened to see this chart showing the incubation progress candling pictures, and I'm looking to see that the eggs all look very similar to this. And the first egg, just going to go ahead and write a 1 on it so I know where we started. And I'm going to very carefully pick up each egg, place it on here, and see if we can tell. Does it look like it's fertilized?
Yeah, there's a dark spot right there.
There is a dark spot.
It's moving.
It is moving.
That's so cool.
Can you see that? I am so excited.
Okay,
So number 1 egg is a yes, it's fertile. Oh, it's moving. So we are going to very carefully place them back in. The second one.
It doesn't look fertile.
Okay, so put no for 2. We'll have to check it. I'm going to check it in a couple of days just to see. Oh, I think there looks like there's some shadowing going on there.
Right there. That dark spot right there.
Oh, there we go. There's the dark spot. Right there.
It's also moving.
And it is moving. So I'm going to carefully place that back. Next one. Oh, I think this one is too. There it is. Okay, so the video is not doing it justice. I can see it better in person, but you can see that dot right there. And it's moving. Oh, this is so exciting. So exciting. As I am placing them back in, I'm still making sure the point is inward because that's how you had to set it up. Okay, so this is egg number, what egg number are we on? Oh, this
5.
one. This one looks fertilized too. I can just tell by how dark. There it is.
Dark spot.
There it is. There's the dark spot right there. Oh, how exciting.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
Right here.
Look at that. And that little baby's moving too. Oh my gosh. So excited. Okay, what number egg are we on?
6.
Okay, this is number 6.
Yep.
This one definitely looks fertilized as well. It looks dark. On the side you can see the line, but let's see if we can find, there it is. Do you see that dot? It's moving. Okay, so the light went off. I'm going to go ahead and press the negative button again. It only stays on for 5 minutes and then it automatically turns off. So this is egg number 6 and this is absolutely fertilized. You can see the dot right there. So, oh, this one looks fertile too. You can see the line. You see the line through here and that it's darker on this side. So if I slightly rotate it, you can see there's the, you can see it moving. There's the dot. It's moving. Okay, this is egg number
8.
And this one is fertile as well. You can see the dot right there. And this one also is fertilized. You can see the dot right there. I can also see the line, but that dot, which would be the embryo, is right there. So exciting. Oh my gosh. Yes. And here's the dot. Right there. And this little baby's moving as well. Jules has been doing his job. Good boy, Jules. You can definitely see the little embryo in there. At least one. And this is
Last one.
This is the 12th one.
Oh, it's right here. Oh, okay.
Where'd it go?
No, you're turning it the wrong way.
Oh, I think I see. And there is the baby chick. So as a recap, today was the egg fertilizing reveal party. Out of the 12 eggs that I have been incubating the last 7 days, it looks like 11 of the 12 are in fact fertilized. We could even see some movement in the egg, which is super exciting. My daughter is going to be so thrilled. I know I am. If you like what you see, please stay tuned, because in follow-up videos, I'm not only going to continue to candle these eggs leading up to the 21-day period, but I'm also going to show you how I set up my brood box for whenever these babies hatch. If you like what you saw today and you would like to continue to follow and see what's to come, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And until next time, thank you for watching.